I fell in love with the Trans Ams when my grandma bought me a 73 Trans Am, and being 10 years old, never seen one before, big screaming chicken on the bonnet. I said one day I'm going to buy one, and when I was 25 I found a black special edition Trans Am, so I bought that, and that started the passion. I saw the Trans Am Nationals in Dayton, Ohio, at the Vandalia Airport, and I rang the president and spoke to him, and I said I'd like to come. And in '94 was my first trip to America, and got to meet everyone, and we've been friends ever since, and been back 2005, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 18, 19, 23, and most of these people I call family. And now I've got 8 Trans Ams in the shed at home.
Now what do you think about that, guys? Red, black gut, can't go wrong. What do you love about this?
Oh, everyone's friendly, you know, beautiful cars, and you know, just great people, you know, great show. Everyone's friendly, everyone gets on, and you know, they make you feel welcome, so no, it's good.